Hey, Rosie. How you doing, darling? Well, I'm going to make dinner. I actually am pushing myself to do dinner, okay? I am preheating the oven, which is wonderful to have. I have some fresh asparagus, which I put a little salt, pepper. I put some this wonderful stuff I got from one of my very sweet friends, air-dried shallots. I put some of that on, and a little. Actually used avocado oil, just lightly, and kind of mushed them around so that they got all this oil and seasoning. And I'm gonna actually bake them at 400. And then I'm going to probably turn the broiler on to give them a little crispy brown. I have 2 pork chops, which I just put that on, which is a Creole kind of nice seasoning, real good. And some garlic, and I've got some onions. And I think I'm going to make a sweet potato. I'm going to hell with myself, right? Look what I found today. This is a Florida avocado. They're huge and they are so delicious. You can't get them. You can't get them in Texas. And I also got some beautiful tomatoes. Yeah, I went to Walmart actually because I needed a mouse. I forgot my mouse pad. And I bought another what do you call it? Charger? Jeez. Phone charger. And I'm sitting here watching some music. It's okay, the broiler is ready. Lily just threw all the pillows on the floor. Isn't she something? Lily, have you been a good girl today? Lily, look at mommy. Hey, yo, you have a problem today. Look what you did. Yeah, I don't know. She's going through something. So, that's it. I'm going to start dinner. I put some avocado oil in the pan. That's what I use. And I'm going to let that heat up. I'll start with the onions. In here I've got a sweet potato. And I'm cooking the asparagus in there. So, it's a happening. Let's see if this is ready. Nope. I always want to put food in a hot pan. So, it'll get there. It's getting there now. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We'll let the onions start. Get a little sweaty. Yep. Okay. And that's about it. I did add some cracked pepper on top. And when I turn them over, I'll put a little bit more of the Creole seasoning. Creole seasoning is, let's see here. It's got, I guess it's got, let's see here, hold on, let me, oh, no wonder. Red pepper, salt, black pepper, chili powder, dehydrated garlic, silicone dioxide so it doesn't cake. So basically, it's, you know, a little hot pepper and salt and pepper and garlic like I actually put on them. Smells good. I love when onions cook, don't you? Yes, I do. Okay, well, it's going to take a little time, so I will be back with the next step on here. Bring them over, and you're getting there. It's got to cook on the other side, but it's got a nice little crispiness on the top, and the onions are definitely getting soft. Looking good. Okay, there's dinner. And I have enough for another meal. But I've got a nice sweet potato with some butter. Everything looks delicious. And I'm going to be going live in a little while, so it's Friday night. I hope you enjoyed just seeing what I'm doing here. And I'll talk to you later. Have a really good evening.